Hello everyone, I am Abhijit Rai, a Columbia Business School graduate, and I help MBA aspirants like you ace their GMAT exam and pursue admissions to the top business programs. People often believe that GMAT is difficult and expensive. Fortunately, that is not true. Even if you haven't touched a book in several years, you can still get good results. And my mission is to share this formula with you. Over the past decade, I have worked with several hundred students who were frustrated with their GMAT scores even after trying different avenues available. And while working with them, I have realized the immense power of learning from mistakes, not your own mistakes. You will not have enough time to make all the mistakes yourselves while you're preparing for GMAT. The trick is to learn from the mistakes of others. Understand the common mistakes others make, so learning from others' mistakes has to be an important part of your GMAT strategy. Hence, the videos on my channel are short, to the point, with step-by-step instructions, and most importantly, they highlight the common mistakes that you must avoid to keep scoring consistently. So while you are on this journey to ace your GMAT, please join me and subscribe to my channel. I personally respond to all the comments on my channel and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and all the best with your friends.